Okay guys, let's go through profiles. Let's start with lowest one. Low, and we will shut down DLSS frame generation for now. We choose low again. And here we have 75, 80 FPS. Really good response. Still better looking than PlayStation 5 performance profile. Average FPS is 80, 77. However, performance overlay from NVIDIA registered 99% of times
I don't have all day.
FPS lower than that. VRAM consumption is 5 gigs. Let's switch to medium one. And we got pretty much the same. GPU utilization jumps from 80 to 90, 78 degrees. For F5 fighting for its life, as usual, 83 degrees. Depends on the load, up to 70%. So that's where the performance of CPU and performance of GPU in this particular laptops meets, I would say. Okay, let's go to high. With high profile FPS sagging right away, you can tell by the graph. Okay. And CPU utilization gets lower, up to 60%, 50, 60. GPU depends on the scene, depends on the frame, sits between 80 and 90. Ultra, no RT yet, no frame generation yet. Brings us to 55. 99% of times it's a 39 FPS, 35. You can see it in NVIDIA overlay. Okay, and RT low, Ray Tracing low. GPU utilization 98%, RTX 4050 is busier like it wasn't before, 77, 78 degrees. CPU utilization though cranked down up to 47, 50. We got average 40 FPS by 99% FPS ratio, and average is 52, 55. Let's go to medium, Ray Tracing medium profile. We get even lower FPS, 37. And take a look at the overlay. It registered sagging up to 9 FPS at times, 10 FPS, 16, while average is 40. So never trust your eyes, never trust what you see. Rather than take a look at the numbers. 6 FPS. Oh yeah. We going down. Okay, and let's switch to Ultra. Ultra brings us even lower, with 99% of times 5 or 8 FPS. Average sits at 39, which tells us nothing. Feels like crap. The game is choppy. It's stuttery. It's not playable at any possible case. And let's go for override. Oh yeah, that one is bad. Yeah, this is bad. Wow, it's like we swimming in the milk, in condensed milk. Kind of that feeling. Input lag is horrible and 9 FPS. The picture is literally drawing frame by frame. It's only usable for picture mode on this given configuration. Let's enable frame generation now, shall we? Oh yeah. And it brings extra latency and performance improves. But it's still not there. And the input lag is significant. So I wouldn't play with this input lag. It still feels like you swimming in condensed milk. Ray Tracing Ultra. And that one is much better. It feels like almost playable. Take a look at the details. Yeah. And my favorite one on this given configuration is Ray Tracing Medium with frame generation enabled. That's where the sweet spot is. It looks good, the picture is nice and crisp, and the input lag is non-existent. I can't really say that it bothers me at any kind. And if we switch off frame generation, it's literal difference with unplayable and playable. Amazing. With Cyberpunk 2077, Nvidia created some kind of miracle. I don't see AMD competes with it next year or more, honestly. Frame generation is a game changer for single-player RT games, for sure. I can't see purpose of buying AMD if you play in single-player games. VRAM doesn't compensate the lack of technology, and this technology is the money. That was everything for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.